Lucas McSherry gets grounded. Season 3. Get over here! Ah! Oh, I'm not gonna let you get away! Ha! You don't hit me! Lucas McSherry pushes enemy into refrigerator / freezes through / grounded. Oh, I'm so bored. I don't know what to do today. I have an idea. I'm going to take enemy into refrigerator. I'm gonna freeze it. And I'm gonna see it. It's a notebook. Wait, what are you gonna do? I'm gonna take you to the refrigerator. Wait, what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm gonna take you to the refrigerator. Come on, let's go. Help me! Ah! What are you doing? Oh, I'm freezing my... Oh, man. I'm freezing food. Yeah. Take candy out of the oven. I mean, refrigerator right now. She's not in there, I swear. Please just don't go in there. Oh, I'm gonna go in there if you don't open it right now. Oh, crap. Yes, I'm gonna go to your room. Wah!